sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down?
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how I actually installed an overhead rig for my studio. So I wanted to do overhead type videos, but didn't know exactly how I was going to be able to achieve those shots, and I couldn't find a cheap rig to do so. What I did was I essentially just took a monopod and I attached it to my ceiling, and I was able to attach a ball point adapter to it and attach my camera to it. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did that and show you how you can do that for yourself. I'm also going to show you another way that you could do it if you don't have a monopod, if you have a regular tripod. So basically, this is what you end up with. It's up in the ceiling and it comes down here. And this is just a standard monopod. As you can see, it's Polaroid. I will leave a link to it in the description section below. And this is also my ball head that I've attached on here, so you can move this around all the way around. But normally I'll slide my camera in. I'll show you how to do this. I don't gotta have two hands for that. So look at that. Down from the ceiling, down, and you get the top down look like here. So you can do unboxings, you can do whatever you would like down here. So that's just a little quick tip of how I set up to do top-down video. I guess you can do this a different way. Let me show you the other way that you can do this. All right, so the second way is with this is just a standard tripod. So what I would do, if we're just going to imagine this wall right here is the ceiling, I would put a hook on this wall. A hook that's going to be big enough to hook around this. So what I've seen that works good is like a bike rack hook. Anyway, you're going to screw that to your ceiling. If you have joists like mine, you can just screw them to the joist. But if you don't have joists like mine, you can just screw it to the ceiling. And what you would do is you would just hook your tripod into it like so. And you have the hook coming around. The bars going to the center bar, and you would just extend the sides out like that. So the three legs will be hitting the ceiling, and your camera will be hanging down. And you can extend that out, and you can do the exact same thing as I did here. If that makes any sense. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment section below. But I think this rig right here is going to work out nicely. Like I said, I put a link to both the monopod and also the ball head that I'm using to achieve this. And up here, what I used was some 2-hole straps. I got those from the Lowe's. And I think they were like $1.50, and you get like a bag of 10 of them. But yeah, 2-hole straps, a couple of screws, and you put it on there, and that gives you what you need.